Oh, hey, this is side note, Esther here. I just wanted to let you guys know that I didn't cut my hair to shape like this. My hair actually naturally grows like this. I don't know how it happened. I have different textures all over my hair, so I'm just gonna ahead and bite the bullet and just say this. I never cut my hair to shape like this. My hair just naturally shapes like this. I don't know what the business is. Even when I had my traditional locks, my hair is still shaped like this. But I don't know. It's weird. It does this shape right here. I feel like it fits my face, but at the same time, I didn't do this. It naturally came like this. Oh, okay, bye.